In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook page. Creating a Facebook page is a great way to represent your business, brand, project, or community online, and it only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through each step clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use to manage the page, because your personal profile will be the admin behind the scenes. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to enter your login details and sign in. Once you're on the main Facebook homepage, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. If you don't immediately see the option for pages there, find and click on See More. This expands the menu and reveals additional tools and shortcuts that Facebook keeps slightly hidden to keep the main view clean. After you click See More, scroll through the expanded list and look for Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This takes you to the Pages section where you can see any existing pages you manage, and more importantly, where you can start creating a new one. On the Pages screen, look for the button that says Create Page. It's usually towards the top left area of the page. Click that button. This is the starting point for building your new Facebook page from scratch. You'll now see the page creation screen. On this screen, you'll be asked to type in your page details. Start by entering your page name. Choose a name that clearly represents your business, brand, or project, because this is what people will search for and see first. Next, you'll see a field for category. Begin typing a word that describes what you do, like restaurant, clothing store, or community, and select the closest match from the suggestions. You may also see an optional description box. Use this to briefly explain who you are, what you offer, or what people can expect from your page. Keep it simple and clear. Take a moment to double check your information. A clear name and an accurate category help people find you more easily and tell Facebook how to classify your page. Once you're happy with the details you've entered, look for the Create Page button on this setup screen and click it. Facebook will process your information and set up your new page. That's it. You've now created your Facebook page and you're ready to start customizing it with a profile picture, cover photo, and your first posts.